Hi, I'm Andrew Parkinson at Passage Maker Magazine. We're here at Trawlerfest, Stuart 2019, and I'm here with National Sales Manager of Dockmate, Brian Sheehan. Brian, how you doing?
Pleasure, Andrew. Fine, thank you.
Good to see you.
You too as well.
Tell me about this cool new product you got here.
Well, we have the world's most advanced and affordable wireless remote control system for boats. It'll operate the engines, the thrusters, the anchor, and the horn, all from this small handheld device.
And we just got off their demo boat, and we were docking this thing very, very easily.
Turn the remote so that the boat's also facing stern in, and now every motion you do is going to actually be the motion that you're looking at here on this screen. Okay, so if you wanted to go ahead and bring your stern into that same chute, just aim your stern to be part of that chute. You'll turn it right in front of it. Okay, so everything you do will just be small corrections, bump back, the same way you would on any boat.
Tell me a little bit about how the technology works. How is it that we can dock a boat with this?
Well, it's really very simple. It's plug and play capability with virtually every engine and thruster control that's out there on the market today. I can show you behind us here, Andrew, is an example. And we have a Dockmate receiver right here. And what we basically are going to do is very simply make a splitter type of cable where we will reconnect the control head and also run a cable out to the Dockmate receiver, okay? So now we're able to just pick up this little joystick here, put this back, and we're able to create another station from where we can run the boat.
And so what sort of a client is your target audience? What sort of boats can really make good use of this?
Well, I don't mean to narrow it down, but anybody who has any issue with docking their boat due to limited visibility, okay? So a lot of helm stations have very limited visibility where it's very difficult to see around, and oftentimes requires one or two people to dock the boat. With this, you can actually dock it single-handedly.
So, Brian, we've seen how it plugs in. Tell me about the software. How do we actually use this?
Well, that's one of the greatest and most advanced features of our product, is that it is fully customizable for each individual boat. So we have a fully proportional throttle control here for the engines and thrusters, and we can make modifications to the software. We can go underneath the hood here, dial up a little bit more throttle if that's what the customer desires, or add a little bit of a delay, and really tune it into the customer's exact specifications and needs.
Great. And we saw that sensitivity out on the water a few minutes ago, and I can personally vouch, I took this thing for the first time, and no lie, I was able to dock it. I think you got a great product here, Brian.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Thanks for sharing it with us.
Thank you. All right.